Hi everyone, today we're going to look at something different. We're going to look at OKEx, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. They are used for trading on cryptocurrencies and they're quite good, quite interesting. They've got some notable products that could be of use to everyone. They have a sign-up bonus that once you sign up with an amount or buy a cryptocurrency close to $100, you get a $30 worth of cryptocurrency as bonus. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. I'm going to take you through it and we will look at the different things that OKEx website will have to offer. Now the first thing first, when you arrive at the website, is to actually sign up for an account. So once you click on sign up, you get this, it comes up. Once you click on sign up, this comes up and you're able to sign up with your email or you sign up with your mobile phone number. In my case, I signed up with my email address, so you can actually do with the email or you sign up with the mobile phone number. You insert your password, the password that you want, and then if there's an invitation code which is optional, you can actually insert the code here. I'm going to leave a code for you. This gives you an additional $30 worth of cryptocurrency when you sign up with my code. I'm going to leave it down in the description for anyone who is interested. Remember, when you use the code to sign up, I get a little commission paid to me, so bear that in mind. So once you're done with that, then you click on sign up, or if you want to sign up straight, which is even more secured and all that, you can actually sign up using your Telegram or you use your Google account. If you're already signed up, you can actually hit the button to sign in and then you quickly put in your details and hit login and you're good to go. Now I love the security fact about OKEx. They actually go ahead to ask you to conform with some certain security features which they have on the website. The one you're seeing on the screen right now is asking me to drag the slide and match up. Once you drag the slide and match up, it verifies and then it says success and you go into your two-step verification. All this is just to make sure that you are not a robot and you're actually human. Now this two-step verification code has been sent to my mobile phone. I'm going to key it in now. It's 095589. Once that is done, it automatically takes you right into OKEx website. It says welcome. On this particular page is asking you to either deposit crypto or to buy crypto. Now the deposit crypto, it says deposit $100 crypto, $100 worth of crypto, and then you get a $10 USTD reward. And over here it says if you buy crypto of $100, you get a $10 Bitcoin reward. Now there's also a $30 reward in crypto that is using the code that I will leave in the description below. Now the next thing for you, which is actually first step, is to verify your account after registration. There are 3 steps you have to do. I've done 2 steps. So to verify, next thing you do is actually verify to protect your privacy and your funds. That gives you more security, and then you have some sort of security guiding your funds. For me, I've gone through this and I think the verification is actually important and necessary. They have 3 levels. Let's see what the levels are. First level is your personal information verification, and the second level is the photo verification. The third level is the video verification. I've done the personal verification, as you can see, is verified. I've done the photo verification, as you can see, it is verified. Now what happens is the first level, once you do the first level verification, it increases your 24-hour withdrawal limit to 200 BTC. And once you do the second level, which is photo verification, it increases your 24 hours withdrawal limit to 500 BTC. If you do the third video verification, it also increases your 24-hour withdrawal limit to 500 BTC. Now let me see if I can do the third one. It says film a verification video on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, install it from the App Store or download the app here. Second option says open the app and go to my account, top level verification, video verification, and you're good to go. So I'm going to do that from the app, which I have installed on my phone. So once I'm done with that, the third one would automatically be set. Okay, so let's go back to overview. Now the other security, managed security features is talking about how to set passwords to protect your funds. The password will be used for withdrawal confirmation, so you can set that here. Authenticator app, you can actually download one. I think there's Google Authenticator that you can actually download to use to set the Authenticator app. Then anti-phishing code, you can create a code to be added to all authentic emails from OKEx. Now this is just a set of features that can protect your funds further. Now the next step is enabling security features. Your login password, your mobile verification, email verification, two-factor authentication. I have done, my password has been set, my mobile phone number has been verified, as you can see. The email also has been verified, as you can see, and then I actually turned off the two-factor authentication. I've not done that so far. And then the next step gives me all my login history when I logged in from all the IP addresses and location, which is fine. So the security is actually very nice. I like that. If you move on to preferences, you can change your language here, change the currency that you would like to trade in, and obviously change the scheme color for the website if you desire that. Sub accounts, I think over here you can create a sub account and manage the sub account to run different strategies and multiple trading risk. Say your tier is level 1. I'm actually on level 1 because I have not traded so far. So my tier is on level 1, so I can create up to 5 sub accounts. And I think the more you move on the levels, the more the sub accounts would increase. So let's move on to the next thing that is actually important for you to know. If we go back to the exchange, where you have the buy and the deposit for that. As a matter of fact, they have a lot of other stuff that is important, and that can actually assist and help you. They've got the pool, they've got the bridge, the wallet, the OKB, the cloud services, security of funds, OEC, and all that. They've also got rewards for people who are signed up on their website, and then the referral and the affiliates. Let's look at the rewards. And the reward is saying that if you buy $100 worth of crypto or more, you get a $10 worth of BTC. If you deposit $100 worth of crypto, you get a 10 USTD in fees rebates. So there's a whole lot of rewards here for you to look at when you have signed up with them. You can also download their mobile app. I'll show you guys that later, and then use from there. So let's do a little bit of transfer. Let me show you guys how to actually do a transfer. I'm in Nigeria, so everything is going to appear in my local currency, but you can change that here and choose your local currency. Okay, so I'm in Nigeria, so it's looking at Naira as my currency. So now I'm on P2p Trade. That's where I'm going to do a very quick trade in order to fund my account. I'm trying to fund my account. So let me show you guys how I got here. I go back to exchange. From the exchange, I follow these two buttons. It said I should deposit crypto or I should buy crypto. So if I click on buy crypto, it will automatically take me to the P2p Trade where I can actually make purchase. Now I'm going to try something. I've gotten the advertisers. There's a whole list of advertisers here selling the USDT token. So I've got this guy, his limit is 50,000 Naira up to 240,000. The next guy here, his limit is 4,118,000 Naira up to 73,000 Naira, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to select one person and do a transaction quickly and show you guys how that works. So I'm going to select the crypto guy. His limit is 4,118,000 Naira. So what I do is I click on buy USDT, and If I go by his limit, which is 418 naira, it means I'm going to get 7.82 USDT when I make the purchase. But I'm going to make a round figure. Let me see. Let me make a purchase of 5,000 naira, which gives me 9.5 USDT, So the only option I've gotten here, or I see here, is bank transfer, and it says I should click on that. Now I'm going to do that very quickly. The transfer I'm going to make is from my mobile phone. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys that on the phone, but you will be seeing the response here. But I'm going to do the transfer from my phone so that you guys would actually see how it works. So bank transfer, I click on buy USDT. It's asking me to confirm to buy. This is the price that I'm going to pay, 5,000 bank transfer, and this is giving me a number of seconds before the price change. So once I click OK, the exchange automatically immediately starts mediating on the transaction. Now I can chat with the guy directly from here, all right, or I can chat the guy directly from here, and I can also call him on the mobile phone. So let me do that transaction quickly. I'm trying to call the guy. His number has appeared on the system, so I'm going to go ahead and dial his number. Let's have a conversation, and I tell him I'm about to make a purchase, so he could actually be on standby for the transaction to be completed. I'm going to put it on speakerphone so that you guys can hear it. Hello, hi. Is this Emmanuel? Okay, my name is Tony. I'm trying to make a purchase on OKEx. Yeah, I'm trying to buy USDT from you. All right, so I'm making the transfer right now. All right, so I've made that call, and he's asking me to go ahead, and I've got 13 minutes to actually do that. Now, he said the corresponding bank is Kuda Microfinance Bank, and the account number is there. So what I'm going to do right now is to I'll show you guys. I'm trying to record my screen so that when I make the transaction or the purchase, I will have a record of that. So I'm going to go ahead and call up my app, and then I'll log in. I'm logging into my app. Okay, so I'm making the transfer now to other banks. Okay, 5,000 naira. Okay, the account number is this 20005. So it's Kuda Bank, so I'm looking for Kuda Bank. That's K. Kuda Bank. Yep. So okay. The name has been pulled out. It says it's Kayode Emmanuel Jeoba, which is the same thing I see on the screen here. Kayode Emmanuel Jeoba. So I will go ahead and say purchase for USTD. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and make the transfer immediately. Okay. All right. It says transaction successful. So let's see what the step says. It said I've paid next step. So once I've made the payment, I click on this button, and it says payment confirmation. Yes, I've made this payment. Do not confirm the order if payment is incomplete. Your credit level and trading privileges could be affected. So I've made the payment, and I've clicked on next. I've clicked on next. It said remind to confirm. So I'm waiting for his confirmation. It says here, waiting for the counterparty to confirm payment. If it's a timeout and no crypto released situation, the system will automatically transfer their crypto to your account. So that's one thing that I like about OKEx. The security is important, so that you know that whatever transactions you're doing, you're actually having a secure transaction and nobody is cheating anybody. So at this point, I'm actually waiting for him to confirm. So I don't know how fast or how long that would be. Okay, I think he has actually released it, because from the screen now, without making the call, I was about making the call, but I think he has released it. And I also got a text message saying that seller has received payment and released the crypto. Please check it in time. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it says completed, the crypto are now in your funding account. View assets. It says in my funding account, asset transfer. Okay, this is an available asset is 9.5. So I'm going to check it in my wallet. So I click on this. Fantastic. So if you could see here, right here, it says I have 9.5 of the USTD token transferred already. So I've gotten this transferred in my wallet. Since I've gotten this, the next step you do is, this is just for us to look at how it's how OKEx works. I've gone to buy and sell, where you saw me make a transaction with Emmanuel. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is let's move on to trading. They've got the basic trading, they've got the margin trading. At the basic trading, it is the spot and the simple options that they have. At the margin trading, it is the margin, perpetual, features, and options. These are the different types of trading available with OKEx. Now, if I look at the basic trading, for instance, it's just for us to just go through it and see, since I have a little bit of money right there. So this is the basic thing. I know it might look a little technical for some of us, but I'm going to do another video to bring in an expert to show us, or take us through how to trade profitably, how to trade and make a little bit of money. So right here, it is BTC against the USTD. I've got 9 of the USTD. So if I want to make any any of the buy and sell for that is where I'm going to make it. If I'm going to choose any other coins to trade on, I click on this button right here, and it opens up all these options where I see the other ones. This is Doge, YGG, Phil, SOL, ADA, ERN, and the rest of it. There's a whole lot that they've got here that we can trade on. And also they have got what they call the GameFi. I'm going to do another video to show what all this is about, the meme and all that. These are the meme coins that you can, the meme tokens that you can actually trade on and all that. So I've not listed any as favorites, but these are the favorites that OKEx would show you firsthand when you come onto the platform. I can actually trade on any of this. That is for basic trading. Let's look at margin trading. For some of us who are already used to trading, you would understand when I say margin trading or basic trading, you know what the trading is all about. For those of you who are new to trading platforms, what you can actually do is you can actually go straight to assets on the dashboard and select start demo trading. When you click on start demo trading, it brings you here and it will automatically show you how to trade. Thanks guys. Don't forget to hit the subscription button if this is your first time on this channel, and don't forget to watch other videos I've got lined up about cryptocurrencies and other tokens as well that can be profitable to you. Till I see you in the next video, keep mining.